Hey boy, I'ma need ya, I'ma want ya, I'ma be everything you ever wanted. I'ma hold ya, I'ma love ya, I'ma be your little roller coaster. I'ma need ya, I'ma want ya, I'ma be everything you ever wanted. I'ma hold ya, I'ma love ya, I'ma be your little roller coaster.
So I'm waiting for the white contact paper and the gray contact paper to come, which I ordered off of Amazon. It should be here tomorrow. So for now, I can't really do anything more with the cabinet boxes, which still need to be done, which you can see behind me. All the doors are done. I did one drawer front. I have to do the other drawer front, as well as the two fixed drawers that go underneath of the sink. And now, in the interest of saving time, trying to get stuff done, I'm gonna start on the countertops and see how that goes. The contact paper for the countertops is a different company and it's also a different size, so I don't know how this material is gonna go. I haven't worked with it as of yet, so I'm gonna work with that now and see how it goes. It seems like it might be a little bit thinner than the other contact paper that I bought. It's also less expensive, so it might be more of like a flimsy peel and stick. So I'm gonna see how I'm gonna attack that first, but first I need to wipe down these counters because they're a hot mess. I spent the morning cleaning because the kitchen was also a hot mess. So time to get started. I keep delaying this process and procrastinating, but I was actually reading about procrastination this morning, and it's not that you're lazy, it's that your body goes into a sympathy freeze state, I believe is what it was called, and you start to like shut down because your body is like conserving energy because your historic brain thinks that you are about to undergo a threat. So it's just really crazy, the way that our brains have like just not fully, formed yet. So anyway, I'm gonna stop procrastinating, do my deep breathing exercises, and get ready to tackle this next project. So we are not going to waste. I'm going to take this that I ripped and I am going to add it to this other side where I still need to have another piece set here. So it is currently 1:39 a.m. and this is what I have. I'm really trying to push myself to get this done, but at the same time I'm still trying to give myself grace. I did get the bottom cabinets done, which I'm happy about, and part of the countertop, and just seeing how it's all coming together is really helpful. But yeah, I have to keep pushing. Good morning, afternoon, evening, good day. Anyway, you might be thinking, why is she so happy? She has an entire kitchen project to finish. So I jumped out of bed this morning and came straight downstairs to finish working on these cabinets. So when we last left off, I was in the process of finishing up the bottom cabinet, and I'm happy to report that I did finish up the bottom doors. I have some of the gray paper left. I ended up ordering another roll of the gray paper because it was just enough to finish 4 doors, and I still have to do the cabinet box itself as well as like the 2 drawers. So I'm thinking I might have enough to do the 2 drawers, but we'll see. I also ordered another roll of the white. I have like 1, 2, 3 doors to finish for that, as well as the backs of a couple of these doors behind me. I wanted to make sure that the fronts came from all of the same roll, just in case when I got the new roll there was like a slight variation in the color. I at least didn't want to have like the door front having, you know, match colors, so I wanted to make sure that that had the same colors. So I got the new roll. I think what I'm gonna do is try to finish up at least the door fronts. So I'm gonna try to finish the door fronts first of the white, and then I'll see what I can get to as far as the gray. And yeah, hopefully I'll be able to start working on the countertop today. I'm hoping that it won't take me that long, but we're going on what, 2 weeks now, and I'm still working on the door front. So anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna keep going, keep moving forward, and just keep plugging away at it little by little. There were days where I wasn't able to work on it, and then also my baby's half birthday was yesterday, so I did like a little setup for that. I'm not sure whether or not I will make that into a video. It's just, I mean, like a tiny little garland and then like a little mini photo shoot for her. I might just do a TikTok of that, so still deciding. But yeah, so I'm just gonna keep pushing forward. This journey is exhausting, which, you know, I thought that it might be, but we have to start somewhere, right? Because if we don't start, we can never finish. Finally, we are getting to the last door. Woof! This has been a process. So I am, okay, that looked weird. I'm just so excited. I'm finally done covering all of the doors. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna work on these drawers. 2 of them are fixed, the ones above the sink cabinet, and then the other 2, they're removable. I do have a little bit of the gray left. I ordered more gray, which is coming on Monday. I have about this much left. I'll see if I can get done 2 of them at least. And I'm completely out of the white, well, for the most part. I have a little bit of white left, this much, but I'm not gonna be able to do all of the boxes with this. I'm gonna start the boxes and get done what I can. I have been saving all of like the little strips, which are kind of just, I'm just sticking those everywhere. I might try to show you a little video of that. However, it's a hot mess in here, so you might not be seeing that because I'm showing you little pieces of things that are neat, but as I've been working on this project, I've literally just been leaving everything a mess. I'm trying to find balance with these projects, especially when there's a project that takes me a little bit longer. I don't want everything to be messy and cluttered because then my whole life becomes wrapped up in this one single project that I'm working on, and it's hard for me to focus on other things when I'm just thinking about, oh, I just have like, you know, all the chaos going on from one project. You want to sit up so bad. I can tell. That's why you're leaning like that. You don't want to roll. You want to sit up. Yeah, mommy gets it. You got to practice that. You'll learn. I'm thinking that for the time being, until I can get, because I'm going to have to order more white, and the gray will be here on Monday, I'm hoping that I can get started on the counter. My kitchen is also a mess, so I'm going to have to clean that up. But I'm hoping once I get everything set into place, I'll be able to put more of the practices in place from my 2023 vision board, which was making sure my spaces are clean at the end of the day. So the next day, I can start with a new, fresh start and be as productive as possible. I'm hoping once I get the kitchen project done, that will help me to focus on other things. So I'm gonna keep working on these drawers, get as far as I can get, and hopefully I'll be done with this project this week. I still have to do the backsplash, and I'm a little worried about that because, again, with projects, sometimes it seems like, oh yeah, it's so easy, you just, you know, stick it up there on the wall, but that might necessarily be the case. I might end up running into issues that I could not foresee otherwise. So anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna get started on these drawers.
I play back when it's over, the back when it's over, back when it's over. I want back when it's back when it's over. The way you touch on my shoulder.